नेक्स्ट लाइन ऑफ थॉट, एक और टर्म समझ लो, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स है बट आई होप कि यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. कल्चरल रिलेटिविज्म. कल्चरल रिलेटिविज्म. In society, often people are involved in irrational comparisons. Yeah? अब ये प्रॉब्लम है सोसाइटी में. There is one school of thought called cultural relativist school of thought. Right? That school suggests कि every person or group of people in society should be valued, their behavior should be evaluated in terms of their own culture. Their own culture. Behavior is relative to one's own culture. Behavior is relative to one's own culture. Sociologist को कैसा करना चाहिए कि sociologist suppose कि you are from Maharashtra and you have to understand.
Do you know what's common between IAS Swati Sharma and IAS Arnav Mishra, who were preparing for the UPSC exam in 2022? They both choose the same optional subject for the UPSC exam, which is Sociology. They both decided to join Vikash Ranjan sir's Sociology optional program and prepared the mains examination in Sociology under his teaching and mentorship and succeeded in the UPSC Civil Service examination. Vikash sir daily after class interaction with students cleared their general studies doubts as well. Just like IAS Swati Sharma and IAS Arnav Mishra, many others also followed Vikash Ranjan sir guidance and teaching for preparation of Sociology optional. And remember, success is not a matter of chance, rather right choice. Thousands of toppers made right choice by joining Vikash Ranjan sir for Sociology and essay preparation. That is a solution for 750 marks in mains. Make right choice and subscribe our courses for Sociology optional, essay, ethics and CSAT.
Understand behavior of people in Jharkhand, so you will not apply culture of Maharashtra. Isn't it? Culture of Maharashtra to understand behavior of people from Jharkhand. Behavior of people, their actions, their orientations, their institutions, right? Their beliefs, their practices should be understood in context of their own culture, tribal culture. Yeah? Jharkhand का जो dominant culture क्या है? Tribal culture. Isn't it? Getting a point or not? Behavior should be understood in context of culture of the people, cultural background of the people. ऐसा नहीं कि you are from Delhi, right? And you are comparing others' behavior from your own, reflecting on your own culture. तो ऐसे में क्या होगा? Problem होगा, conflict भी हो सकता है. Yeah? Getting a point, right? This is cultural relativism. कि every person, his behavior, his action, right, should be understood in context of his own culture. And culture तो समझते हो ना? What is culture? Education, knowledge, values, norms, isn't it? Getting your point? Food habit of people from Eastern UP, from Bihar, from Odisha, from northeastern states may be different from food habits of people in Delhi, isn't it? But we cannot and we should not criticize their food habits on the basis of our own. Rather, we should understand their food habits in their own cultural backgrounds. Getting a point or not? Their language, their dress code in their own cultural background. This is cultural relativism. Yes or no? Right? And Constitution provides for cultural freedom. Yeah? Yes or no? India की भी बात करें तो Constitution provides for cultural freedom. Yes or no? Right? Cultural freedom देता है ना? Constitution, isn't it? And so, cultural relativism. Cultural relativism. I hope you understood. Last person. कुछ समझ में आया? Simple terms में कि जैसे मेरे behavior को आपको समझना है तो you will understand in context of my culture, my education. Isn't it? Getting a point? My knowledge. Yeah? My, social background. My occupational background. Yes ना? Right? Not your own. अपने से नहीं. Getting a point or not? Not from your own backgrounds, in respect to your own background. Yes, na? So this is cultural relativism. Yes or no? Right. As IAS, you will have to maintain cultural, yeah, very strongly. है ना? जिस भी district में आप जाएंगे, condition will be different. You are from Tamil Nadu, will be posted in Manipur. Conditions will be different. You will have to be cultural relativism. इसका understanding आपको training में और ज़्यादा दिया जाता है. Yeah? Like you are from Hindi belt, you get cadre Tamil Nadu. First, you will have to learn Tamil. Yeah? उधर language है ना? पहले language training होगा उधर. So this is so that you could become culturally relative. Culturally relative हो सके, इसलिए language is important part of culture. या तो पहला training किस बात में? Language में. Yes, this is. Got this point? Yes.